How do you decide what words you're going to say, Roman? Because sometimes it appears to have no context. Can you say context? Yep, context. Roman's a parrot. Roman, can you say parrot? Parrot. Can you say orange? You like oranges, don't you? Orange. You're eating an orange. Orange. Roman likes... What? Orange. Roman likes fruit. Can you say fruit? Fruit. That's right. Roman likes fruit. Don't get me wrong. Roman knows a lot of words.
Puppy.
And puppy. And what they mean. That would be one of them. But clearly when it comes to many words. Roman, can you say sesquipedalian? Can you say Zara?